Alrighty. See if I can fit in a little video for the arms. And I want to experiment with, see if I can put my feet up here. You see how I put this on here so I can not slip off if my hands get sweaty. Because a lot of this you actually do with your hands on that platform for our push-ups. Assuming I get the start. All right. And now I get vibrating. Now, as you saw before, I like to take this up to 10. And that really tests your muscles. Now, you saw me do the weights in the last one. In this one, I'm going to switch over, take my feet off of it, and put them over on the chair. I've got an office chair. And I set it up so I got the wheels so I can use them to come in and out. And we'll see if I can go ahead and do this. Put it at a slight angle. Come over here like this. So we can do push-ups, things like that. Ready? Feet up. And put them up kind of high. Because I want to go ahead and focus on my upper chest. So we're doing these. And then of course, the Asian, come down. Or Indian, you might say. What we're doing with your feet up. And that allows me to focus. Also, you can do this, which is part of what I want to do next. Be able to go ahead and so get a foot up. There we go. I'm going to be able to go ahead and build these muscles so I can do handstand. And this is way down here. Yes. And up here. Even holding, you can see what that does. You got to use a lot of muscles just to be able to keep it flat. Good plank. All right, resting position. It's actually not a real resting position. What kind of? Forward, backward, full stretch. Ooh-ah, ooh-yah, ooh-yah. Now, hands in. Ooh-yah. Forth. Oh no. Only 2 minutes. Wow. Where did it all go? All right. 2 minutes. From what I can see, I must have knocked the camera out. Oh, wow. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Here we go, guys. 5 minutes. Relax. Rest. In, nose, out, mouth. Use your knees. Use your waist. Touch the floor. Press it in. Nose. Rest. Fingers crossed. Join. Make a cup. Down chin right here, battery. Drop the chi from your feet. Air. Let them meet. Form a ball of energy in your hands. Look at that. We're only about 9 seconds from 8 minutes. Anybody with me? Ah, isn't this nice? Peace. If you do this, put your hands on your head. It'll move this to your head. Ready? Knees. What you're doing by doing your arms is vibrating your nasal cavities. That causes your stem cell production and nitric acid. Breathe through your nose in, out through your nose. Ready? Elbows on your knees. In through your nose. Now, this has about 45 seconds, 40. That final balance. Hands over your head. Stretch. Your nose out through your mouth. For just about 10 minutes. Arms, chest. Thank you.